Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily enable standby mode on your iPhone. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, first of all you'll have to head over to the settings of your iPhone, and then you'll have to scroll down a bit, and in the general section you'll be able to find an option of standby just above Siri and search. You'll have to tap on standby, and after tapping it you'll be able to find an option of standby that says that standby will turn on when iPhone is placed on its side while charging to show information like widgets, photo frames or clocks. Now, if you want to enable it, all you have to do is to toggle this option on, and whenever you place your iPhone on its side while charging, like on a side stand, or place it horizontally while charging, it will turn on the standby mode automatically on your iPhone, which will display clock and photo frames or clocks and widgets like on your screen. So I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video,